Good morning, traders. Let's jump right into today's breakdown. Clear, structured, and fast. There's no major economic news today, so we can focus fully on price action and internals. Last week, ES closed above August's value area low, retesting that 5,500 level and holding strong. Bulls were showing signs of momentum, but today we ask ourselves, can they sustain it? Let's find out. The 10-day volume profile showed us that we are back in balance. Our value area high now aligns with the start of April's value area low and previous range low. I will be watching these levels closely for a breakout back into this area. The weekly profile is back in balance after last week's 450-point move, and the daily opened with a small 5-point gap on Globex, holding just below this high volume node. Bulls must hold this area for momentum continuation. On Friday's 2-hour delta chart, we see that ES tried to push below 5,500, but they are met with the buyers at 5,480, April 23 support, and they reversed through the highs at 5,553 to close strong at that level. So in our New York TPO, we see a double distribution formed with the midpoint at 5,524, which is also the opening range high. An open below this level would cancel my bullish momentum plans for today. Let's look at the 1-hour chart, and we see a clean uptrend aiming to fill the Globex gap right here from April 3 at 5,564. Key range to watch today is the 5,550 to 5,620 volume gap for possible acceleration if bulls stay in charge. So for our game plan, my line in the sand will be 5,552, which is the top of the gap and previous session high, and my bull targets will be 5,580, 5,611 and 5,640. Aligned with that, my bear targets will be 5,527, 5,502 and 5,475. So guys, as we say every Monday, protect your profits, manage your risk tightly. Mondays can fake some strong moves, so we wait for confirmation. And as always, like, comment and smash that notification bell to stay updated on every trading session. Also get the free daily newsletter for even more information. Let's stay sharp, let's stay green.